Hi friends, welcome to Learning French with Beena Multani, your instructor for French language. And today in this class, we are going to take contracted articles. So, bonjour mes amis et bienvenue à apprendre la langue française avec Beena Multani, votre enseignante de la langue française. Dans cette vidéo, on va faire les articles contractés. So, we start with our lesson. Contracted articles in English, we know it is as of the or from the, and as well as we have as to, in or at the. Now in French it will be varying because every noun is either masculine or feminine, singular or plural. So it will be in different gender, it will be placed as differently, which we will see, take each case here. So when the definite article le is preceded by preposition the, we see here the plus le, it contracts as du. The meaning is of the or from the, because the means of as well as from, and le we know it's the, so du becomes of the or from the. We have an example here that is saying j'achète la maison du directeur. I buy the house of the director. Now how do I come to the answer du? After the blank, I read the number and gender of the noun and accordingly place my contracted article of French. Director is masculine and singular, so the contracted article will be du. So this is as for masculine singular. Now we get to definite article la when preceded by de. De plus la does not contract, it remains as it is. It is de la. This is used before feminine singular nouns. We have an example here. Nous prenons la clé de la fille. We take the key of the girl. Girl is feminine, so of the translated as de la. Then we take the definite article L apostrophe preceded by de, that is de plus L apostrophe, does not change to anything. It remains as de plus L apostrophe, and this is used before nouns which are beginning with a vowel, and it could be masculine or feminine. It begins with a vowel and singular, so it falls as de le. So we have an example here which says Elle donne le livre de l'étudiant. She gives the book of the student. Student, that is singular, beginning with a vowel, so it's put as de L apostrophe. The last one, de plus le, that will contract into they. This is used before nouns which are plural. Let it be masculine, feminine. Once it's plural, you use they. We have an example here. Tu montres les images des enfants. You show the pictures of the children. So that is as des, because enfant is plural. So my contracted article first part is masculine nouns, it is du. Feminine singular nouns, it is de la. De plus L apostrophe is used before masculine or feminine nouns which are singular beginning with a vowel, and des is used before all plural nouns to read the meaning as of the or from the. Next section we take, that is when the definite article is preceded by a, that's agra, that also becomes as contracted article. Excuse me. A plus le, that will contract into o. So your example here, j'envoie un mail au garçon. I sent a mail to the boy. O is written because following the blank I have the noun garçon, which is masculine singular. So this is used before masculine singular nouns, that is o. Then a and la when together, that does not change, it remains as a la. So we have an example here which is vous donnez des fleurs à la dame. You give some flowers to the lady. Lady is feminine, So to the would be translated as ala. When the definite article L apostrophe preceded by preposition a and L apostrophe does not change, remains the same, and it is used before nouns which begin with a vowel, and they should be singular. So it's little, I'll read out for you. Elle montre le chemin à l'enfant. They show the way to the child. That is, le is used before enfant, that is beginning with a vowel. At last, that is a plus le. It changes as aux, o, used before plural nouns, just similarly as of the or from the. So, je donne l'argent dash pauvre. I give the money to the poor people. Pauvre, plural, so it gets as aux. So we come to as both the contracted articles which we saw with all examples, but two things I would like to point out which you should note. That is your they. Okay, it means as of the or from the. When it means some, that is they, it's not your contracted article, it is your partitive article. Now partitive article I'll be taking in one of the future videos now. So just the difference, let me show you. That is, say the color, la couleur du pain. The color of the bread. Bread is masculine and it is as du. It's connecting to nouns, it's of the, it's contracted article. But if I say j'achète, say dash pain, I buy some bread. Here also it is du, but this is as some quantity, that's partitive. So this we take it at a later stage. And this is connecting to nouns. Connecting to nouns, that is the contracted article. That one point to be noted. Then the second point that you need to note, that you cannot have contracted articles before proper nouns. So if I have to say le livre dash Pierre. The livre dash Pierre, that is the book of Peter. Before proper nouns, we cannot have contracted article. It will be simply preposition de. Like one more example, if I can take with a, that is she, it's elle donne la fleur, say dash Marie. She gives the flower dash Marie. Marie is proper noun, so it will be simply agraph. So this is your contracted articles which I have tried to place it as briskly as possible, and you have your notes as well. If you follow my blog, entire notes on this is placed, and this is, I have put it in a video here for you to simplify it. So this completes the lesson on contracted articles, and at the end of the lesson I would say thank you very much, merci beaucoup, et je t'aime, j'adore ces vidéos et enseigner ces leçons. And please, if you like this video, you like, share, subscribe, and do the best so I can do my best further on. Thank you.